Alright, so check this out.
Welcome to St. Mark's Medical Center in New York. You are the new night doctor. Stay alert. Follow the rules. Rule 1. If the elevator opens by itself on the 4th floor, do not enter the lights. Inside will flicker. A voice will call your name. Ignore it. Rule 2. If you pass room 209 and the door is open, close it fast. Do not look inside. Do not listen to the breathing. Rule 3. At 1:13 a.m., the intercom will turn on. You will hear a nurse ask for help. Do not answer. The hospital has no night nurses. Rule 4. If you see a patient in a white gown walking toward you without feet touching the floor, step aside, face the wall, and hold your breath. Rule 5. At exactly 3:01 a.m., check the security monitor. A woman with long black hair will stand in the ICU doorway. Do not blink until she walks away. If she disappears instead of walking away, run to the stairwell, lock the door, and turn off the lights. Stay low, stay quiet. Wait until sunrise. Good luck, doctor.
Now, if you look right here, you're going to see that videos like this are getting millions and millions of views. The thing is that in the media world, you know that more views and more attention equals to more money. So I tried this particular method. I tried creating something like this. What you just finished watching is what I created for myself, and I succeeded. Well, it might not be as good as what they are doing, but I believe I tried my best. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this step by step and how you can also create something like this for yourself. And the thing is that you can actually start earning a lot of money just creating videos like this just with your smartphone or with your computer. And if you want to see how this works, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can keep getting more content from me. If you're a new viewer on this particular channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. And I also want to take this opportunity to appreciate all the members of this particular community. If you're not a member, what are you waiting for? Join our community right now. Thank you very much for doing that. I really appreciate. And finally, just comment where you're watching from down in the comment section below. You might see your neighbor down in the comment section. So let's get started. All right, so the truth is that earning money online through AI content is not as easy as most people make it to be. AI tools right here, most of them are paid, and the money behind these AI tools are crazy. I mean, if you see the amount of money or subscriptions that is being tied to most of these AI tools, it's going to discourage you as a beginner that just wants to start creating AI content. So it's not as easy as most people claim it's going to be, you understand? And the truth is that if you want best quality from this particular AI wall or this AI side hustle, you must invest a little amount of money by paying for softwares, you understand? That is just the fact. In this particular video, I'm also going to be showing you the AI tools that I use for this, and also I'm going to show you a method that you can use to generate some of these particular videos for completely free. So just keep watching. So what I did was that I came down here and I downloaded the video from TikTok. So once I download the video, I now brought the video down to this particular website here called TurboScribe. TurboScribe is a website that allows you to transcribe videos to text, which is going to be very, very helpful if you want to start creating different kind of content. Now, the thing is that this particular guy say you can use this particular website for free because they give you 3 transcribing opportunity every single day for completely free, which you don't have to pay any money for. But if you want to do more than 3 in a day, you're actually going to pay on this particular platform right here. But I like it because you use 3 free transcribe every single day. All what you have to do, just come down here and click on this particular upload icon. You can impute a link. So if this is like a YouTube link or any other social media platform link, but I believe it's going to be YouTube, you can just input the YouTube video link and they're going to transcribe for you. Just click on browse. They are going to take you to your gallery and just open your gallery. From there, pick the file or pick the video that you want to transcribe. Now it's going to take some time for this thing to transcribe. I like choosing Whale because it actually recognizes the voice very, very well, and it's very, very easy. So I'm just going to scroll down here and click on transcribe. It's going to take some time for this thing to transcribe and finish. You can see right here that we just transcribe our file right here. You want to duplicate this particular format of post, and you don't really know much about this particular format of post. After you copy everything, the next thing is for us to open ChatGPT, go back to that video you downloaded from TikTok, screenshot segment by segment of that particular video, frame for frame, each of the frame, just screenshot some of them. It might not be all. I brought in the screenshot I took from that video I downloaded from TikTok. I told ChatGPT to give me something in this particular format. After I gave it this particular prompt and the transcribe, and ChatGPT gave me a story. And if you notice right here, you're going to see that each of this particular transcript right here has numbers attached to it. Now each of these numbers are showing you the scenes in the video. You can see the scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and so on and so forth. So you can see from 0 to 16 seconds, that's your scene 1. From 16 to this, that's your scene 2. So ChatGPT gave it scene by scene. I told ChatGPT to give me image prompts that I can use to generate images for each of those particular scenes. Now the next thing is for you to go and generate your images. This image part you can use Nano Banana, but I decided to use another AI software. The second AI that I used to generate that second image is actually called Match Space AI. These are the images I generated. So this is the first one, the second one, each of them scene by scene. That's how you generate them. Once you come down to this platform, just sign up with your Google account. Once you sign up, just come down here, copy the prompt that ChatGPT gave you and put it inside this box right here, and just start generating your image. I have a limited amount of time that you can use it every single day. Let's just see. It's actually loading right now. Let's see what it's going to bring out based on the prompt we actually gave it. I mean, this is actually amazing, right? So you can use this particular AI for free. It's called Match Space AI. Use it for image generation. 10 free generations every single day. I think so, 10 every single day. So if you generate more than 10, they are going to ask you to pay. No watermark on the image. You can look at that. No watermark on the image. Once you have all your images for all your scene, the next thing is for you to enter audio generation. I've been using 11 Labs before for like 2 years ago. I'm just create an 11 Labs account and log into your account. Now 11 Labs too, they have free trials every single day as a complete beginner if you don't want to pay or if you don't have money to subscribe. But if you can subscribe, you can try their $5 package. So let's come over here and click on instant speech, for example, the script that ChatGPT gave you. Just copy that script. So look for a voice that is going to be very, very deep and scary. Now just duplicate these particular settings that you're seeing on my screen right now, and you're going to generate a voiceover for yourself. Now ChatGPT is going to make sure the voiceover is up to 1 minute based on the script. It's not going to be that easy. You might not get it at the first trial, but you're definitely going to get it right. Once you're done with your images, you're done with everything, the next thing is for us to go for video. And this is one of the most hardest part in this particular tutorial. Do hope to like this video and subscribe if you're getting any value so far. So I'm going to paste this prompt right here. You can copy this, you can screenshot this and make use of it if you want to make use of it. Possibly I can drop it for you if you want. ChatGPT is going to give me a prompt for each of the scene. I've tested a lot of tools. Now these are some of the tools I came up with. Hello AI, Pixverse AI. So I generated a video using Canva, and the video I generated using Canva, I mean, it was actually amazing. I got this video from Canva. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can use the Canva AI later. What I want us to use right here is this particular one right here. They call Pixverse AI. So just come down here and click on the meme right here. You can sign up your account or set up an account or log in or whatever. Now you can just scroll down here. You can see that I've generated a lot of videos, or most of the videos. You can see that I generated it from here. So click on the plus icon right here, upload the image that you want to do. Now just come down here, paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT. You're going to see this particular icon right here at the bottom. And this icon, this is an audio icon that you have to toggle this icon right here, turn it on. Now once you turn it on right here, whenever you're generating a video, you're going to generate a sound effect to match that particular video. Now that is how I actually got this particular video right here. So I'm going to come here and upload the image we use that AI to generate. I'm going to come over here and paste in that prompt right here. I'm going to come here and click on the sound. I'm going to confirm the sound. Okay, I'm going to click on generate. So it's going to take few seconds for this to finish. You can see it's already generating. So let's see what it will give us right here. So our video is done. So let me click on the video. Let's see what we were able to generate. So it's actually loading. I don't know. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is insane, my people. This is insane. So I'm just going to come here and click on download right here and click on MP4. So you need to click on remove watermark, click on MP4. So you're going to save it into your phone successfully. So let's see that. So let me click on MP4 again. So you can see downloading, and download successful. So let me come over here and click on this icon. So I'm going to scroll here and click on publish a video. If I click on claim, you can see that they give me free 10 credit. These are some daily tasks right here that you can come and do for you to earn free credit. So you can come down here and watch ads right here and collect free credit every single day. So you can watch 2 ads here every single day for you to collect free credit. And they also have invite tags where you can also invite your friends right here. And once your friends register with your link, you know, you can get free credit on this particular platform. So this is how you can use it for free if you don't have the money. Repeat the same process over and over again until you generate all the videos. Now you can actually use any video editor to put everything together. So this is how you create scary videos, scary AI videos, and you make money for yourself. ChatGPT will do most of the work for you. Your work is just for you to copy and paste. So I tried so many times. I tried different AI, I tried different tools before I was able to get this right. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Remember, YouTube monetization is actually active. Channels that are posting this type of videos are actually making a lot of money, and the best part, you don't have to show your face. So even if you take a whole week to produce 4 of these videos and you can post them consistently, you're going to get result. It might not be instantly, but you're definitely going to get result. And if you post this on TikTok and you're using a UK TikTok account in Nigeria, you're going to make a lot of money by posting these particular types of videos. So tell me what you think in the comment section.